Hi guys, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel, and today I will tell you my biggest embroidery secret, and this is this one. Bind your hoops, guys. Normally hoops come like this and they can have a little gapping, and no matter how tight you will try to put the fabric in your hoop, it will slip, it will loosen in a couple of minutes while you start embroidery. And to prevent this, you need to do one simple action. Just bind your hoops, guys, like this. And in this video I will show you how I do it. It will change your whole embroidery game. The fabric sits very tight, it doesn't slip. Just listen to this sound. That means the fabric sits very tight in the hoop. And for this you will need a piece of fabric, scissors and glue. That's it, that's everything you need, and we will wrap this hoop up. Let me show you how to do it. Make some strands of a fabric. And now we will start just wrapping the fabric around the hoop like this, and just to secure it we will add a little bit of glue. And this will not only tighten your fabric but also prevent awful creasings. Like when you will take the fabric from the hoop, it will get this awful marks, but if you will use this binding, no marks guaranteed. If the fabric doesn't want to stay with the glue on, you can use one of this just to secure. Okay, and I will just leave this hoop for a second to dry and we will be able to use it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tip will help you out, and I see you in my next one. Bye!